Hello everyone. This class we're going to learn about the poem The Heart of the Tree, written by Henry Culler Bunna. It is a poem which shows the poet's affinity with nature. The Heart of the Tree, also subtitled as an Arbor Day song, and was written in April 1893. It is a comment of the benefits of planting a tree. Divided into three stanzas, the poem tells us about the various benefits of planting a tree. He motivates us to plant trees. Summary of the poem: The Heart of the Tree by the American poet and novelist Henry Culler Bunna is a piece of poetry with a simple theme and similar structure. The poem was originally published in 1912. In this poem, The Heart of the Tree, he glorifies the act further, shows how a tree helps a life on earth, and says that it has a direct connection to nation's growth. All the three stanzas of the poem, The Heart of the Tree, starts with a refrain with the poet asking what the man actually plants who plants a tree. Then he chooses to reply it to by himself and shows what a tree means to be humankind and to the nature, thus proving how great that man is. The poem opens with the poet asking what does he plant who plants a tree, and sets the tone for the entire poem. He We instantly realize that the poet is going to explain the usefulness of planting a tree. However, the poet himself answers by stating that the man plants a friend of sun and sky by planting a tree. A plant grows up towards and aims to reach the sun and the sky, so it is as if the sun and the sky get a few new friends in the tree. Secondly, the tree needs sunlight and air to survive, and finally, the tree seems to absorb the heat and save the earth from the scorching sun, giving an implication that the sun becomes friendly in the presence of the trees. The speaker now adds that the man plants a flag that flies freely in the mild breeze. The poet here compares the leafy branches of the tree to the flag and the stem to the beautiful south pole of the flag that stands tall. By planting a tree, the man plants a home for the sweet singing bird and high in the sky near heaven. In quiet and happy delight we can hear those birds chirping, which is harmonious to heaven's own tunes. The poet repeats the question to begin in a new stanza and attempt to answer again in the subsequent lines. The tree he plants provide us with a cool shade and help in bringing rain. A tree will produce seed and bud in future. Years will pass silently, but the tree will remain through its seeds, producing new trees. Trees are the main elements, the man elements that make plains green and beautiful. So the poet describes tree as the glory of the plain. Moreover, today's single tree may turn into forest someday. So by planting tree now, the man plants a forest heritage. The speaker mentioned that planting a tree today would bear fruits in the coming days. Our next generation would be delighted to live its benefits. So all credits goes to the man who plants a tree. By planting a tree, the man shows his love and loyalty for his earth, his sense of civic duty, and his blessings on the neighborhood. All these are reflected in the sap, leaf, wood, and every cell of the tree. By planting a tree, the man directly and or indirectly contributes to the nation's growth. When a tree is planted, it sets in motion the progress of nation from sea to sea. All this start from the progressive thought in the man's heart who plants a tree. It speaks about man's heart, his feeling, dreams, and wishes behind planting a tree.